Hey everyone, welcome back. You're installing Windows 11 25H2 and want to create multiple partitions on your drive? This is a great way to organize your system, separate personal files, and keep your data safe. Let's go step by step. First, boot your computer using your Windows 11 installation USB. When the setup screen appears, select your language, time, and keyboard, then click Next. Choose Install Windows and then select I agree. Click Next. If it asks for a product key, you can enter it or click I don't have a product key to continue. Next, select your Windows edition. Accept the license terms. Now you'll reach the most important screen. Select Location to install Windows 11. Now, select the unallocated space and create partition. Enter the size for your first partition. For example, 100 to 150 gigabytes for Windows C drive. Click Apply. Windows will automatically create some small system partitions, and you'll see your main partition also created. To create more partitions, select the remaining unallocated space and click Create Partition. Enter the size for your second partition. Repeat this process to create as many partitions as you need. Now select a partition and format partition. Repeat this step for all the partitions you created. Once done, select the primary partition where you want to install Windows and click Next. Windows 11 25H2 will now install on that partition, and your other partitions will be ready to use after setup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.